Can't read anything on your Samsung Calendar widget after the One UI 7 update? White text on a white background? What is going on? Well, you're not alone, and I've got two quick fixes that'll solve it in just a minute. Let me show you exactly what to do. I'm sharing my screen, so follow along. So after updating to One UI 7 on my Samsung Galaxy, I noticed the calendar widget suddenly looked broken. The text turned white or faded, especially impossible to read if your wallpaper is light. A bunch of users are facing the exact same problem, and guess what? Samsung has confirmed it's a bug. The new update messed with some widget properties, so the calendar isn't applying the right settings. But don't worry, there are two simple ways to fix it. Let's start with the quickest one. Fix number one, remove and re-add the calendar widget. All right, look at my screen. 1. Tap and hold on the calendar widget on your home screen. 2. Now tap remove. 3. Next, press and hold on the home screen. Go to Widgets. 4. Find the Samsung Calendar and drag it back to your home screen. Boom. That usually forces the widget to refresh, and it should now display the text correctly. Fix number 2. Update the Samsung Calendar app. If that didn't work, no worries. This next one definitely will. 1. Open the Galaxy Store on your phone. 2. In the search bar, type Samsung Calendar. 3. Tap on it, and if you see the Update button, go ahead and tap that. After the update installs, check your home screen again. Your calendar widget should now look perfect with readable text. So yeah, One UI 7 introduced this annoying glitch, but thankfully the fix is easy. Just remove and re-add the widget or update the app. One of them should do the trick. And remember, after big software updates, always check for app updates too. It can save you a lot of headaches. If this helped, don't forget to drop a like and let me know in the comments if your calendar widget is back to normal. Catch you in the next one.